Hello guys, welcome back to Good Hero Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Discord installation has failed error. As you can see right now I'm having this error right now on my PC, and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go to this PC over here at the top, or you can click anywhere else and you can just right click over here and you can go to properties. And from here, as you can see, you have to check whether you're on the 64-bit or 32-bit. It depends. As you can see, I'm on the 64-bit. Now from here, you have to follow the instructions according to it. So what you have to just have to open your Google Chrome, then you just have to search for 7-zip. You just have to search for 7-zip download and go for it. And you have to open this up. And from here, what you have to do is, as you can see, it is available for 64-bit. So you just have to click on this and you have to download this one. You can go for this one. Now you just have to wait for it, and once it's successfully downloaded, you just have to open this .exe file over here and you have to install this one, and go for yes. Now you go for install, and as you can see, you just have to wait for it and go for close. And once it's successfully done, you just have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is you just have to right click and you just have to go over here at the top, and there will be an option called 7-zip, right? You have to click on this and you have to scroll and navigate to extract to Discord setup / file over here. Just have to right click over here so that it will get extracted, and you'll be getting a folder over here on your desktop. And you just have to, what do you have to do, just have to open your folder over here and you just have to open local disk C. And what you have to just have to do one thing, what you have to just have to drag and copy and paste it over here anywhere else on the local disk C, and you just have to paste it up. And as you can see, it is successfully done. Now you just have to open this up once again, and what you have to do is you just have to right click over here and you just have to go on the 7-zip once again, and you have to navigate to extract Discord. This option over here, you just have to right click on this and it is getting extracted, so you just have to wait for it. Now you got a new folder where you have to open this up, and now what you have to do is there is a folder called lib, right? So you just have to right click on this once again and open this folder once again, net45. And as you can see that you will be having Discord icon over here, right? So you just have to right click and you have to send this to desktop over here. Now send this up, and as you can see, we got the desktop shortcut over here, and right now when you open this up, and you're most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.